to Milky and Sis, and today I'm going to be showing my room. First, here we have emojis I got from McDonald's like 3 years ago. It's been a very long time. Let's go into my room. So here is my bed. I have 3 pillows and 2 teddy bears. One over there, one over there. And some teddy bears are hiding. And here, I mostly do my work on this. And I sometimes attend online classes on this because it's very squishy and like very soft. And whenever I want, I just go like this. I just flip over. And then sometimes I jump on my bed, but like not usually because my mom and dad say don't. And here I have my jewelry stuff. Over here I have a nice comb so I can comb myself like this and look at myself. And here I have my jewelry box. I have some earrings, bracelets, rings, and necklaces. And over here I have a nice painting that I did in art class last month. And then over here I have like a photo frame of my photos. This is look. So I have, that's when I was born, and that's when we were going to Cassie Campbell, and that's when we were in our apartment, and that's when at the Walmart store. And over here I have a peacock feather I got in India. And over here I have a little thing that I did in French in grade 1. So like the life. And then over here, my desk is here. I have a chair, a comfortable chair. My laptop is over here. Mouse. And I keep my water bottle and my pencils and scissors. And I keep some papers over here just in case like I forget where the papers are. I can just take it. And over here we have like a nice watch, like so I can see the time. And then over here I have my times table. And over here a flower that I made with multi-beads on my when I got it on my 8th birthday. And over here I have some more paintings that I did in art class. And here I have my calendar. Like I mark it off. Yeah, that's pretty much. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here I have like my important stuff like my glasses, my ruler, sharpener, my lip balm, and my headphones, my tab. And over here I have some books, like binders and books for school and other classes. And over here I have some more books and like other like storybooks and other books too. So that's pretty much on my desk. Let's move on to my closet. So up there I have some toys that like I don't usually play with. It's like really less. And over here I have some new clothes like pants and t-shirts. Over here I have my pants, more pants, a full sleeve t-shirts, half sleeve t-shirts, some silk dresses, and my night dresses. And here I just keep some dresses. And over here, I just keep some rubber bands just in case. Because sometimes when my sister is doing hairstyles on me, she's like, can you get some rubber bands? Instead of going through this box and getting rubber bands, I just keep some rubber bands over here. And over here, I have like the thing what I do. Like here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And over here, I did a little art in grade 1, no, not grade 1, grade 3, in person class. like, it's called apple art. And then over here, I have a nice puzzle. It took us forever to build this. It took like 2 to 3 days to build just this. And then over here, I have my piggy bank. I keep some coins. Now let's move on to this other side. So over here, I have some more like dresses that I wear to parties. And over there, I have even more dresses. And some of them are my sister's that she gave it to me. And then over here, when we come down, I have a bookshelf. Over here, I keep more books. I have my paint, like how I showed you my arts. And then over here, I have some pencils, a toy that I got from Niagara Falls 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years. You might saw this toy in my sister's room when she did her room tour. And here I have a bag with toys and a box with toys. And I have more toys in these little buckets. I have some buckets over, like bins. I have toys in them. And over here I have a photo frame that we made in our previous videos. If you didn't see that video, make sure to go and look at it. And my mom and dad painted some fairies. So that's pretty much of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you like my room. And bye-bye.